So my brothers, my sisters, for a long time I've wanted a vegan recipe for bread, for gluten-free bread. And as you do, you go out into the shop and you're like, oh, let me see what's the bread section is like for gluten-free. And it was there. I'm not saying there's nothing, but it always had like 1,000 ingredients I didn't understand. I was like, what the hell is this? And there was one time, I did get bread and I was eating it, and then like halfway through the loaf I was like, oh shit, there's honey in here. Damn it. But yeah, so the quest began, and I was like, I must be able to make my own gluten-free bread that's like beautiful. So with that, I shall present. Dun, 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 dun. Yes, I've already started eating it. Can you see the little like kind of like air bubble holes? Like that's how you know it's legit. That's how you know it's legit when it's got those little like little air bubble hole things. That's how you know it's like, oh shit, he means business. Damn. So I call that the like a gluten-free like buckwheat mix, because it's half gluten-free self-raising flour and half buckwheat flour. I can put the recipe down in the description below. It's very simple. A 2-year-old can make this. It will be my part of the collection in my recipe ebook that's coming out at the end of this month. So check that out. And yeah, like, should I give you guys a taster? Do you want a taster? Okay, here you go. Got a bit for you. So yeah, that definitely tastes like bread. And I am the sort of person that could blast through a whole loaf, especially if I eat it with like lentil soup, as I did yesterday, and it was really nice with lentil soup. But yeah, go crazy if you want to eat it with jam, if you want to eat it with peanut butter, maybe like hummus or something. Eat it with a salad, whatever you want to do. Go crazy. Just know that it is possible. And if I could do it, anybody can do it. Anybody could do it. And yeah, like there's a lot of confusion out there. People saying like bread makes you fat. But is that really true? It's a high carb food. Same as rice, same as potatoes, same as quinoa. And we all know like all the largest civilizations have gotten the bulk of their calories from carbohydrates. And for thousands of years in Asia, the diet was 90% rice. The rest was vegetables and fruits, no dairy, and little to no meat. And people were lean and trim and active to old age. And obesity was one of those things that only the kings and queens had, because they were the ones who could afford all the heavy meat-based diets. So go crazy with the Clinton-approved oil-free, nut-free bread, and yeah, enjoy. And to everyone who watches my videos, thank you. Thank you very much. From where I started like a couple of years ago, when I had like only like 100 subscribers and like very little total views, to now having hundreds of thousands of views and almost 2,000 subscribers. I just want to say thank you. I want to say thank you to the people who watch my videos. Yeah, so if you have any questions, fire away. I've got a few to make in response, but keep them coming. Keeps me busy. And yeah, thank you.